Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Asma Jabeen and I am fine. Alhamdulillah. I hope you have watched my last video, and in my last video we have learned zero. We have learned zero. So today I am going to tell you the copy work of zero. First, in this video we will reinforce the number 0, and after that we will do the copy work. So stay with me and see this video.
Look, what's that? I can see something hiding. That's the number 0 behind the tree. Look, it's dancing. The number 0 is written as. The number 0 denotes no objects. Let us see how. What is that near the tree? It is an anthill. I can see 6 ants on the anthill. Look, all the ants went inside the anthill. Do you see any ants now? No, we see no ants on the anthill. So, we can say that we see 0 ants on the anthill. There are 4 butterflies on the pink flowers. There are 0 butterflies on the yellow flowers. So, what did you learn? 0 means no objects.
So now kids, we are going to read number 0 from our picture book. So open our picture book, and on page number 10 you will see number 0. Which number is this? This is 0. 0 is round and round and round. 0 is round and round and round. 0 means nothing. Now on every page you can see animals. But on 0 there is no animal. So 0 means nothing. There are 0 animals. 0 means nothing. This is 0. Round and round and round we go. This is the way to make a 0. Round and round and round we go. This is the way to make a 0. This is 0. 0 means nothing. Now kids, this is our salt tray, and we are going to write 0 on salt tray. Put your finger on the starting point. 0 is round and round. Again, 0 is round and round. How to make 0? 0 is round and round. This is 0. Now we will write 0 on our blackboard. So make lines on the blackboard like this. Put your finger on the starting point. 0 is round and round. 0 is round and round. Again, 0 is round and round. Again, 0 is round and round. Again, 0 is round and round. So this is 0. What is this? 0 is round and round. Kids, this is the time to do the copy work. In your mathematics copy series step 1, when you open your copy, you will see some patterns here. So on page number 6, you can see the pattern of 0. First, you have to trace these patterns with crayons. Just put your crayons on the starting point and make a round and round and round. It makes 0. Then turn your pages, and on page number 67, you will see the copy work of 0 here. This is hollow 0. There is nothing. यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. And here is the tracing of 0. So what you have to do is you have to trace this hollow 0, and then after that you have to trace this passage, this tracing of 0. You have to do only one page this time. Okay, then after that turn your pages, and on page number 72 you will see an activity of reinforcement of numbers. Which number is this? This is number 7. This is number 8. This is number 9. And this is number 0. Now you have to count the given objects. These are fishes. This is nothing. These are bowls. And these are birds. Okay. Now you have to count them one by one and match them. Like, how many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have to find out 8 here. This is number 8. So match this 8 with fish. 8 with fish. Okay. Now you have to count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Find out where is 7. This is number 7. To match this 7 with bowls. There are few birds. Few chicks. Now let's count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Find out the 9. Here is 9. Now match 9 with chicks. Now here is nothing. यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है. Nothing. Where is 0? Here is 0. Now match 0 with nothing. Okay. So this is the way to do this activity, and these are the work of 0 which you have to do in your copy. Thank you. So this is the video of 0, reinforcement of 0, and I hope after watching this, after practicing on copy, board, salt tray and through your book, the concept of 0 will be clear to you. Learn this number, repeat this number again and again, and I hope inshallah we will able to write it. Okay, so wait for the next video. Inshallah we will come back. Allah Hafiz.